Welcome to polity MCQs. I have 1 day experience in teaching. Today continue my second class with the polity MCQs. First question. With reference to sixth schedule. With reference to sixth schedule. Which of the following statement is correct? With reference to sixth schedule. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A. Autonomous districts. Autonomous districts created under 6th schedule fall outside the executive authority of state. This is incorrect. Why? Here, outside autonomous districts created under 6th schedule fall outside the executive authority is wrong because outside is replaced with under. So, autonomous districts created under 6th schedule fall under the executive authority of state. So, outside is replaced with under. Fall under the executive authority of state. Second option. Only president can increase or decrease the area of autonomous districts under 6th schedule. Wrong, because president replaced with governor. Only governor can increase or decrease the area of autonomous districts under 6th schedule. Under 6th schedule, governor can increase or decrease the area of autonomous districts. Okay. Option C. The district and regional councils in these regions are empowered to assess and collect land revenue. Is exactly correct. So, which of the following statement is correct? Option C correct. Option A, outside is replaced with under. Option B, president, not president, governor can increase or decrease the area of autonomous districts on 6th schedule. Next, second question. Which of the following statement is correct regarding fundamental rights? Fundamental rights. Which of the following statement is correct regarding fundamental rights? Option 1. They are sacrosanct in nature and cannot be amended. They are available against the actions of both state and private individuals. They operate as checks on tyranny of both executive and legislature. Select the correct answer. Answer only 2 and 3. With explanation. Here we observe first statement. Fundamental rights can be amended by constitution amendment. As per Keshavananda Bharati case versus Kerala 1973 landmark judgment, fundamental rights can be amended by constitution amendment. So, but not violate basic structure of the constitution. So, here they are not sacrosanct. So, one option is incorrect. As per landmark judgment given in the case of Keshavananda Bharati versus Kerala in 1973, the constitution amended by constitution with amendment bill not violate basic structure of the constitution. Second option. They are available against the actions of both state and private individuals. Exactly correct. Fundamental rights are available against the actions of both state and private individuals. Few rights like abolition of untouchability, Article 70, are available against private citizen also. So exactly, second option is correct. First option is wrong. They are not sacrosanct. Second option, they are available against the actions of both state and private individuals. With example, untouchability. Untouchability, Article 17. available against private citizens also. Option 3. They operate as checks on tyranny of both executive and legislature. Exactly correct. These rights limit the power of executive and legislature prevents tyranny of executive and legislature. That the fundamental rights operate as checks on tyranny of both executive and legislature. These rights limit the power of executive and legislature. Next question. Select the correct answer using code given below. 2 and 3 correct. Answer C is correct. 1 is wrong. They are not sacrosanct. Next question. Which of the following would fall under definition of state as defined in Article 12 of the Constitution? Options: Delhi Metro Railway Corporation, Unique Identification Authority of India, Niti Aayog, RBI. Here we observe according to the Supreme Court, even a private body working as an instrument of the state fall within the meaning of state under Article 12. According to Supreme Court, even a private body working as an instrument of the state falls within the meaning of state under Article 12. So, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has the equity participation from Government of India. Stake is there. Unique Identification Authority of India, Niti Aayog, RBI. All are under definition of state as defined in Article 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4 all are correct. Next question. Which of the following functions performed by Constitution in a democracy? Which of the following functions performed by Constitution in a democracy? Democracy restricts the exercise of power by the state. Exactly correct. It empowers and as well as restricts the freedom of the people. Exactly correct. It represents a collective demand for political self-determination. Also correct. Here we observe statement 2. Constitution work not only to limit people in power but to empower those who traditionally have been deprived of it. Reasonable restrictions under Article 19.2, 19.6. Restrictions, exceptions as there. So it empowers and as well as restricts the freedom of the people. It represents a collective demand for political self-determination. It restricts the exercise of power by the state. So in a democracy, by a constitution, 1, 2, 3 functions are performed. Which of the following functions are performed by constitution in a democracy? In a democracy, by the constitution, performed 1, 2, 3 functions. Next question. Which of the following are the fundamental duties under the Part 4A of the Constitution of India? Options. Please observe. Fundamental duties under Part 4A. To develop scientific temper and humanism. This is fundamental duty. To encourage participation of workers in management of industries. This is directive principles of a state policy. To pay taxes. Here we observe one point. Swaran Singh Committee recommended duty to pay taxes should be included in fundamental duties, but it was not accepted. Sorensen Committee recommended due, duty to pay taxes should be included in the fundamental duties, but it was not accepted. So, uh, to pay taxes is not fundamental duty. To encourage participation of workers in management of industries, it is a directive principles of state policy. To cast a vote, casting vote is not included in the fundamental duties. So 4 is also correct, also incorrect. So option 1, to develop scientific temper and humanism is a fundamental duty. To encourage participation of workers in management of industries, it is a directive principle of state policy. To pay taxes, Sorensen Committee actually recommended duty to pay taxes included in fundamental duties, but it was not accepted. So it is not a fundamental duty. Casting vote is not also included in fundamental duty. So 4 is also incorrect. Okay, thank you. Next, I will meet with another 5 questions.